Embarrassment is a universal and normal feeling, and fortunately, there are effective strategies to disarm those unflattering memories so they no longer cause distress. Key methods involve practicing self compassion and reframing the experience. Try to laugh at the past event by viewing it from an outsider's perspective, or discussing it with a trusted friend. Or, if you cannot laugh, offer yourself compassion and remind yourself of your core values. Crucially, forgive yourself for the mistake, apologizing sincerely if necessary, and consciously focus on the present moment, recognizing that the embarrassing event is firmly in the past. Use the experience for personal growth by identifying what you can do better in the future, but avoid dwelling on the event, as this causes more pain than the initial mistake. Finally, recognize that it's completely normal for others to see your embarrassment. And while the feeling is painful, minor embarrassment can even be helpful by demonstrating social awareness. If you find you still cannot move past these feelings despite your best efforts, considering seeing a therapist is a valid and professional option.